Halloween listening test. Test 2. 1. Hello, I am a monster. My name is Goo. I am green. I have 2 yellow eyes and 2 yellow horns. Which monster am I? A. 2. This is my friend Griff. He is a monster too. He is orange. He has 2 eyes, 2 teeth, and a tail. Which monster is Griff? C. 3. Griff is hungry. He wants to eat something. He loves ice cream and he loves vegetables. His favorite ice cream is broccoli ice cream. Which is his favorite ice cream? B. 4. I don't like ice cream. It is too cold. I want to eat something hot. I want to eat snail soup. It is delicious. Yum! Which soup does Goo want to eat? C. 5. Goo and Griff like to have fun. They love to put on music and dance. What do the monsters like to do? A. 6. Tomorrow is Halloween. It is October 31st tomorrow. The monsters love Halloween. It is their favorite day. What day is it tomorrow? C. 7. It's Halloween and the monsters want to go out. It is 6 o'clock. They are going trick-or-treating. What time is it? B. 8. We got lots of candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 candies. Yay!
Yay!
We are happy. How many candies did the monsters get? C. 9. Knock, knock. There are 2 children at the door. They are dressed in costumes. They are dressed as ghosts. Which children are at the door? C. 10. The kids and the monsters are having a party. There is a big orange Halloween cake to eat. It looks yummy. What is there to eat at the party? A. Happy Halloween.